If you're looking for a headset that gives you elite multi-channel controls, things like balancing your Discord and your chat right here on the headset without spending $150, stop scrolling because I've got an answer for you. This is the FIFINE H13 and it is going to answer those issues for you. It is packed with things like customizable LEDs, an inline hardware mixer, and 7.1 virtual surround sound, all in this one unit. Look, let's pull it out, talk about some of those features, some of those things you want to know. It has next generation 50mm dynamic drivers. It's corded with a 7.5-foot long braided cable. There is no 3.5mm jack option. That you should know. Oh, I'm going to love these LEDs because we all know I love the LEDs. And it is completely plug and play. Check this thing out. Speaking of plug and play, let's plug it in and see what it looks like. Oh man, check that out. Can you see? Are the light's too bright? No, I think you can see that. Check that out. How freaking cool is that? Look at that. That is freaking awesome. Comes with this clippable control, which has the 7.1 surround sound, EQ settings right on it. It's got a mute, mic on, headphone volume. This one's a killer right here. You can change between game and chat. You could adjust the volume for each independent channel. And then the one that makes Douglas the most happy is this magical button here. Because you know me, I need it to look blue. Oh, that's what I need, right? Oh no, if I pressed it one too many times. Look at all these colors. There we go, blue. Oh man, I'm ready now. How does it look? Put in the comments below. How does this look on me? Does it make my face look better? I'm pretty sure it does. So look, the positives are obviously the aesthetics is incredible. The audio quality is great. I did play with it a little bit so that I could talk to you with authority about it. Listen to some Metallica on it as well, and it sounds so good. Obviously, another big plus to this is all the controls that you have right here on here. Real quick, you got the surround sound option, you got your different customizable EQs, you got your mute button, you got your overall volume, and here's the big one where you can channel, you can control, switch between the amount of audio you have from chat to the amount of audio you have for the game and balance that. So like when your annoying cousins talking crap, you could just like kind of mute them and just get the game audio. Really freaking cool. If I haven't all created a little bit of interest in you, forget the little bit of interest. Just use that link below. You should absolutely get this. This thing is freaking so cool. I just love it. It's so fun. Anyway, you should get this while you're there. Remember to like the video, follow the channel. And I want to hear in the comments, are you a gamer? Are you going to use this for gaming, or is this going to be a streaming thing for you? You're going to be an up-and-coming streamer. You're going to have a podcast. What are you starting out with? Look at this setup here. We got the microphones, the headset. We're all ready to do a podcast all about Formula One, right? I want to know who your favorite Formula One driver. Put it in the comments. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.